Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're focusing on a common concern for many homeowners: how to choose the best fencing for noise reduction. Let's jump in. First, consider the material of your fence. Dense materials are more effective at blocking sound. For example, a solid wood fence is one of the best options. The natural density of wood helps to absorb and block unwanted noise. Make sure the fence is at least 6 to 8 feet tall for maximum noise reduction. Next, avoid open structures like chain link or metal fences, as they allow sound to pass through easily. If you prefer a modern look, vinyl fences can work well as long as they're constructed with solid panels. Composite fences, made from wood fibers and plastic, also provide durability and better sound insulation than vinyl alone. For even better soundproofing, add mass-loaded vinyl as an extra barrier to the fence. You can also use thick bushes or climbing plants to absorb more noise naturally. Remember, height matters. To effectively block sound waves, your fence should be tall enough. Around 8 feet is ideal. Also, seal any gaps at the bottom or between the panels to prevent noise from slipping through. To recap, choose dense materials like wood or composite, add noise barriers like mass-loaded vinyl, and ensure your fence is tall with no gaps. With the right choices, you'll enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more contents. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.